Right, sequences and series. Now, one of your examinable questions for grade 12 this year, we can test you to derive the formula for the sum of arithmetic sequence. Formula looks like that. Right, so without further ado, right, so finding the sum, so to derive the formula, I'm going to use an example to explain. So they have given you arithmetic series. It's series because there's plus or minus signs in between separating the terms. You have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus a whole lot of terms in between, but it's ending by 39. Right, so first and foremost, you should see a equal to 1. And t, if I say 3 minus 1, it gives me 2, or 5 minus 3, it gives me 2. So using our general formula for arithmetic sequence, tn equal a plus n minus 1 times t, I first have to work out how many terms I have in total. Right? So take 39, place in place of tn, a is 1 and t is 2. 2 times n would give me 2n. 2 times negative 1 would give me negative 2. If I take negative 2 over, it becomes plus 2. And 1 minus 1, so that gives me 38 plus 2, which is 40. And 40 divided by 2 gives me 20 terms. Right, so if I sum 20 terms, now to physically add them is quite a long time, therefore we created a formula. So sum to 20 terms, I can say 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, all the way 35 plus 37 plus 39. If I write it in reverse order, 39 plus 37 plus 35 plus 33 going on. If I add sum to 20 plus sum to 20, I have two sum 20s. 1 plus 39 gives me 40, 3 plus 37, 40, 7 plus 33, 40, 39 plus 140. So in short, if I say 2 times the sum of 20, I have 20 40s. Right, so there 2 sum 20 equal 40 times 20. And 40 times 20 gives me 800, so 800 divided by 2, so the sum to 20 terms equal 400. So hope you follow, you see what I've done. The same procedures what I'm going to do to prove the formula. Alright, so using that same procedure before, I can say the sum to n terms would be a, which is my first term. My second term would be a plus the common difference t. And so if I continue, I would end up with a plus n minus 2t for the second last term. For the last term, a plus n minus 1t. Right? If I reverse that around, and then that becomes my first term, a plus n minus 1 plus t, a plus n minus 2t, plus a plus t, and there at the end, a. If I continue adding, a plus a would give me 2a plus n minus 1 times t. Sn plus Sn gives me 2Sn. There a plus a would give me 2a. There you see I have minus t plus t, which stays minus 1t. No? There a plus a would give me 2a n minus 1 times t. So you see there, if I continue adding there, the original order and the reverse order, it always gives me that. Right? Now, I have 2Sn, right? There I multiply with the amount of terms n, so I don't know how many terms I have, so n, if it's 20 terms or 40 terms or 60 terms, so I multiply by the amount of terms, so there 1, 2, 3 going to n terms, n times that. Right, from there n divided by 2, and I end up with a formula 2a plus n minus 1t, which is equation 1. Right, we also have a second equation. We put L equal to, meaning my last term is a plus n minus 1 times t. Right, put it in there. Then I have 2. The a plus n minus 1. Remember, a plus a gives me 2a. Right, and a plus n minus 1t then becomes L. So if we have the last term, we would use this formula to get the sum. If we don't have the last term, we use that formula to get the sum. Right, I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.